This is a video from earlier this summer. I wanted to show you the sunflowers that we're going to be chipping up here. So after they were all done, we took them out back. We let them lay out in the yard for a couple weeks to dry. This is an old chipper that's around over, I believe, 60 years old that my father's had, and it's been well maintenance and is a fantastic chipper. It can chip out 3 different sizes. Here, um, this is my father. My father is 91, and he helps me out here on the homestead. So he is chipping all these up. If you notice, we have the wheelbarrow right in front of it. That's to kind of help keep it from, skirting way out past the tarp. So we always put the tarp down. That way it helps catch it. And I'll show you later what we'll be doing with the tarp. But it just look how fine. Now this here, Dad's taking a break, so this is my corn. We will be using this corn. We are going to chip up these stalks, and I'll put them in containers, and then in January I will use them as mulch or inside the chicken coop too. My dad, he loves doing this. Look how fine. We put it on actually, there's another setting that is finer than that, but that one is just that one will be just perfect. So basically, I'm taking it into the chicken coop here. I cleaned out the coop, and I've already put 1 layer down of the wood shavings, and I'm getting ready for winter, so I'll do a pretty thick layer. Now here is all the what I have the tarp that I'll be pulling in here in a minute. But this is where all the sunflowers are, and all the seeds are in it also. And of course, we have Miss Chicken there. She stays with us the whole time watching. She has no fear. But that's why I left it on the tarp, so it was easier to drive the tarp in and then just dump all this down. Again, we have all them sunflowers where all the seeds got all chipped up in it and everything. So this not only is bedding for the winter, this will keep the chickens eating through the winter and keep them occupied. So I'll put another thing of the wood chip shavings, on the on top of that. So I have a thick layer, and this way the chickens will also stay warm in the winter time. Now my chickens have a little trap door that they can go out. I do have a shelter outside for them. So if they want to go outside also, they just got, I think, maybe about 20 feet, and then they have a nice shelter that they can stay under through the winter also. So they have that access to do whatever they want. But I'll just mix it all together, and they, like I said, it's a feeding ground. Now every day after I let the chickens out, I do go and I rake like what I'm doing, so I keep things stirred up, so that way all the moisture from their poop droppings is mixed in. Now I do have the fans on right now. I want to make sure that everything, that the wood shavings, they are pretty much dry, because I don't want no mold or dampness. So I will keep that mixed, and I'll keep that on the fans like this for a couple days. But when I ran my hands through it earlier, it was pretty dry. But you see the chickens, they love it. They love it. They'll start wandering in and, start eating. All right, well, that sums up. That's what I do for my chickens. And right now I've cut up some zucchini. I grew a bunch of zucchini, and I'll freeze it. And what I'll do, I'll put DE in it to help with the worms, and mix it in with the zucchini. And the chickens, they all love it. And you see the wood chips. I had a company come in and put all these wood chips down. So what happens that it's thick. I've had like here I had 2 feet deep. So when it rains, all the chicken poop and stuff like that will go down into the ground instead of staying on top. And if you notice, there's no mud or anything. So, all right, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up. So this is what I do with my sunflowers and my corn stalks. So, all right, hey guys, take care.